Wow, what an absolutely stunning transformation. So she ended up getting this really pretty red pixie style. Wow, she looks absolutely gorgeous. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some more trending hairstyle ideas with these transformations. So here we see someone with long hair. The stylist cuts off those ponytails and reveals this gorgeous pixie style. Now this one does have the baby bangs going in the front to really frame out this pixie shape. Absolutely stunning. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Whoa, so we see someone here with very long waist-length hair. And she decides to get this beautiful bob. Wow, what a transformation. And then we move on to someone who also has some long hair. Ooh, so we have another beautiful bob transformation here. This one ends around the shoulders. Her hair is so thick and full. I absolutely love this hair change. Next up, we see someone with long hair, complete with bangs. And she decides to switch things up with this Cleopatra themed bob. So here we have someone with some long mid-back length hair. She has this gorgeous ginger hair shade. Ooh, pixie undercut with a line design there going on the side. Oh, this is beautiful. Loving this pixie haircut style. The color, the design, everything is absolutely stunning. Such a beautiful hair change. Next up, we see someone with hair just above their shoulders. Looks like she's getting some color done. So she did go darker with this hair transformation, and it looks like the stylist is doing a bob with bangs. Very cute. And this bob has so much body and movement. Wow, this is flawless. Very nice style. Next up, we see someone heading to the salon with blonde and turquoise colored hair. Whoa, oh my goodness, this is beautiful. I love the blonde against the pink and the blue purple combo. This is absolutely breathtaking. Very nice. unreal transformation. Her hair looks stunning. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.